what's up guys, my name is David from Litex, and today I'll show you how to disable the automatic Windows updates, which are pretty annoying sometimes. So in the search bar on the Windows, on the bottom of the Windows, we'll have to search first time for services. Here are like 4 steps which we have to make. So let's search for services. And inside this folder we'll have to search for Windows updates. I think it's at the bottom, it's starting with W. I found it. Now we'll have to right click and press on properties, and here at the general, press on start a type and disable it. We'll have to press on apply, and right now okay, and exit this. And this is the first step. Now let's enter the second steps, in which you have to go to the settings of our Windows, go to the network and internet on the left side, and we'll have to search for Ethernet. Press on that, and here we'll have to enable on the settings which is called network connections. Some apps might work differently to reduce data usage when you are connected to this network. Okay, we'll have to mark this on, and this is the second step. Now things will get more complicated because we have 2 more steps, and those one are the big ones. So we'll have to hit this combo on our keyboard. You'll have to press the Windows icon button and R at the same time, and now we'll have to search here for gpedit.msc, gpedit.msc. Let's press on enter, and inside here we'll have to press on standard. And now let's search administrative templates and search for Windows components down at the bottom. And here let me expand this so we can see proper. We'll have to search here for Windows components. I think it's at the bottom somewhere. Calendar, no. Customer experience, down at the bottom it's Windows update. And here we'll have to select manage and user experience. That's the one we're looking for. Let's press again on standard. Configure automatic Windows. Select that with right click, then press on edit. Here just enable it, and down below you'll find options. Configure automatic updating. Select the second one, which is notify for download and auto install. I'll select that. I'll press on apply. Here we're done, and we just finished the 3rd step. Let's enter the 4th step, which is also the last one. In the search bar we'll have to search this time for registry editor. I think, yeah. No, registry editor, that's the one. Yes, go on please. Here at the bottom you should find HKey local machine. Now underneath that you should have policies, but Microsoft is always changing that. So in my case I will have policies right above. I have Microsoft in policies. I will just right click on Microsoft, and let's create a new key on this one, and I will name it just Windows update, and it will be one word. Create it. Now I will right click once on this, and I will create a key underneath this one, and this one I will name it A and U, and make sure A is uppercase and U it's lowercase. Create it, select AU, and on the right side you will have to create new and select the word 32-bit value. Name it no auto update, one word, no spaces between. Make sure it's created, and now let's right click this once, press modify, and you will see value data. It's set with 0. Select it and replace it with number 1 and press OK. I have a good news right now. You just finished the 4th step, and that's how you disable the automatic updates on Windows 11. Guys, I really hope I help you out with this tutorial, with this guide on how to disable automatic updates. If I helped you, don't forget to thumbs up the like button and leave a comment if you have any questions. Please have a great day.